Zoho CRM is a super handy tool for businesses looking to streamline their customer relations. It's like a one-stop shop for managing sales, marketing, and customer support activities. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily track deals, connect with clients, and automate a bunch of routine tasks. It's great for teams of all sizes, offering insight and analytics to help grow your businesses. Plus, it integrates with a ton of other apps, making life a whole lot easier. Now let's check how to log in to Zoho CRM website. First, open up your browser and type Zoho CRM login. Then you will see this page here in the first one. Now we are in the login page for Zoho CRM. You can sign up by click here, or you can sign in by click this one. When we click it, now we are seeing email or phone number, then click next button. Then after click your next button, you will see the password section. Then type your password and type sign in button.